Well, I'm going to go and try this restaurant here, which is just across the road from us. That's our hotel, just up there. Yeah, lion. We're going Italian apparently. Yeah.
Oh God, oh, it smelled out.
Oh, this is the place. Well, Chuck.
Thank you.
You sit out here or what?
I'll sit on the outside because I'm always on the way. I'll sit at these
Right, here we go.
In the corner. Nobody puts babe in a corner. Oh God, I hate being put in the corner. I'm sure I'll leave. Thank you.
And that's good. We got any spaghetti?
I know, just said that. I've definitely got garlic bread and smell that. Push the menus down, please. Thank you.
Garlic.
You know what, I'm going to sit down properly now and all it might be sweaty.
Yeah, no. Stuffed fresh pastors.
Pizzas.
Sorry.
Carbonara truffle.
Yeah.
That looks nice. What's truffle taste like? Must be
Pig.
Posh, isn't it? No, truffle's not a pig.
No. Pigs dig them up though, don't
Under
they?
a tree, yeah. Yeah.
I would imagine it's some sort of mushroom, isn't it? It's some sort of fungus.
I need. Cheers. Is this a tip? What? No. What we get in charge of that? Look at him taking a burger off of me.
It is
Not on video, innit?
It is a massive glass though.
Spoken like a true drinker.
That's not a big one, is it?
No, is it?
Fish, chicken wings. How do you split three?
Well, someone's going to have
I don't mind dipping out, don't worry about that.
No,
I don't mind dipping out.
Right,
Don't take a photo of me with this.
no, I don't know. You've seen that little man on that? It's for you now.
So that's fine.
I'm not really a wine drinker, you know. It's only very rare I have a glass of wine.
Bit too much cheese for me, you know.
Do you?
Eddie, got a new sensation.
Councillor's card. Councillor's card. That'll be absolutely, mate.
Yeah, me lasagna.
Tell you what, that again.
Now you want another
Can I
two?
have that barbecue sauce on my lasagna, please?
Can you have two more garlic bread, but without the cheese?
Ooh,
Love it on anything.
that's the way to go. New dimension, that new dimension.
Right, sauce, enjoy your break.
Lasagna.
That's the style of lasagna.
I'm sorry, what's Al's wife called again?
Yeah, what?
What's his wife called again?
Yeah, one down
Al's
here.
wife.
There you go, mate. Yeah.
Right.
Dave.
Thank
That's yours.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Nice.
Lasagna's look gorgeous.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, that looks nice.
Yeah, it does. They all look nice.
Anyone?
Yeah, please.
Got some chicken. Try and do it, Greg. Lovely.
Yeah. Oh, there, mate.
Like a bit of lasagna with your pepper, yeah.
Yeah, I do. I love pepper.
Especially ground pepper.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is nice. Good.
What do you think of it?
It's greedy.
Well, now you
What do we
mentioned it.
think of it? I've got my lipstick on still.
I can show you what I thought of it.
It's too late because you're getting recorded anyway.
I thought it was absolutely amazing.
So what would you give it out of 10?
7.
That's not amazing.
Mediocre, middle of the road.
What's that?
But you finished it, didn't you, mate?
Well, I did finish it because I was hungry.
No, if he
I
says
would have been out of the
mediocre, he
bin.
says mediocre middle of the road, he really enjoyed it.
So we'll give it 6
And?
and a half. So I've not finished.
Oh, sorry.
So I'll give it 6 and a
I
half.
think that's
6.5.
6 and a half. Yeah.
Trina?
Very nice. About a 6.
6. April?
We've got to have a chat.
And it's a 9 from mine.
I was really good. I really enjoyed that.
Out of 10?
8.
8.
I really enjoyed it. Look at that. That's the proof.
Out of 10?
Out of 10, I would say, easily an 8.
Mixed bag.
There we go, mixed bag. Everybody enjoyed it though, didn't they? What's it called, this place?
8.5.
There it is. There it is.
There, it's called the Ricotta.
The Ricotta. There you go. Right across the road from our hotel, which is that one.
Which one? That one.
Yeah.